Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today we are here with a new desktop background, and it's the second video of transforming your desktop from normal to a pro desktop. So without doing any further delay, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is go to your Microsoft Store. From here, just search for Becky and press enter. Then an app will appear in the first, named as Becky. Just click on the app. So I have already downloaded it. You will see an option get here, so click on the get option. I already have downloaded it, so I will click on the open option. From here in Becky, you need to go to categories, so I will click on categories, and from here popular videos, and from here click on yearly popular. Once it gets load, just scroll down and you will find our wallpaper. Just click on the wallpaper. From here you need to click on the save button. Just click on it and will ask for a location to save your wallpaper. I have selected desktop and just name with Becky and just click on the save button. So now my wallpaper is saved on the desktop. So now I will go to my desktop, click on the wallpaper and set it as the desktop background. So now my wallpaper is set. Now I will hide my icons. So just right click, go to view and show desktop icons, which will hide all the desktop icons from your desktop. Click the first link in description to download Rain Meter. Just click on the download button here. So it will start downloading. Once it gets download, go to the open file location button and click on it. Now from here you need to just install it. Click on it and run as administrator. From here you just need to follow simple steps to install this application. So now Rain Meter is installed. Now just unload these by right clicking on them and unload skin. Unload these all. Now go to the second link I have provided in the description box, and from here find the blue download button and click on download. Now it will download the mount. Now click on mount and install the mount clock. Wait for installation. Once it get installed, go to the icon and click on Rain Meter. Now refresh it once and click on mount. A drop down menu will open. From here click on clock and load clock. Now go to player and click the player option to load the player and weather as well. Now you can adjust this clock and the player according to you. I think this is the best location to adjust these. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, just press the like button and hit the subscribe button for more. Thank you.